This is the Central Sea Terrace cabin, cabin 9226Z on the Brilliant Lady. If you're wondering what the difference between this cabin type and just a sea terrace room is that it's located midship, which makes it easier when you're out and about and you want to come back to your room. This room type is also not an obstructed view, but you get the iconic Virgin Voyages hammock and balcony. Stefan moves very fast, so I had to slow this part down. But the cabin is smart enabled, so you can control different things in the room using your iPad, and there's a mini bit fridge. And they have water here, which they will refill as much as you like, you just have to tell them still or sparkling. When you go out on the balcony, you do have the iconic red Virgin Voyage hammock. You also have 2 chairs and a small table. I guess you can put some drinks out and sit outside. And imagine you're not looking at Manhattan and a parking lot, but maybe the ocean. So that table can be moved so you can pull this drawer out all the way, just an FYI. Also, Stefan wanted to show you where all the plugs are, which is smart. I feel like on a cruise you can never really charge your phone at night, but this does have outlets by the bed and plenty of outlet spaces in other areas of the room, so you don't have to fight whoever you're rooming with for an outlet. So I've already made a few videos of cabins that were below the sea terrace, and this would apply to them as well. But this is Voyage Fair Choices. Now this is new with Virgin. It's 3 different levels. It's trying to offer some more transparency so that you kind of know what you're getting when you book. And it also allows you the flexibility to get a little bit more if you'd like, or maybe save your money and you just kind of want to do the base fare. So I've gone ahead and just kind of broken down in like just a few bullet points the major differences between the 3 categories. With any of these that you choose, you still get dining, entertainment, Wi-Fi, fitness classes, and soda and water included. If you've sailed with Virgin before, the Essentials is the level that you're probably most familiar with. The other 2 are new. So hopefully you found something in this video helpful. I have done tours of other rooms on the Brilliant Lady that you can watch. I made a playlist. If you want, you can watch the full video of my tour of the Brilliant Lady, which was a lot of fun. And remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Comment something nice. I'm sensitive. Anyway, until the next adventure, keep exploring. Okay, bye.